guys, I'm going to unbox this presents. And I got this.
Can you give message first before you unbox na?
Okay.
Message to everyone.
This is my message.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you have a good winter.
That is from Tito Sam. Yeah. What will you say?
Thank you, Tito Sam.
Can you make it louder?
Thank you, Tito Sam.
Okay. And then the next, because it's all candies. Wow. It's nice. It's from Tito Sam too.
Thank you, Tito Sam, for
This one,
another chocolate. Thank you, Tito Sam, for the chocolate.
and then the next one. You can open it.
So,
It is from who?
Popa
And
and Mama
Angie. Yeah.
and Amari.
Wow, what will you say to Mama and Papa?
Thank you, Mama. Wala na si Popa. Ano ba yan?
You tear it. What's this?
Oh, scissors.
Wow.
Scissors thing. Remember.
What did you say?
Thank you, Mama, Papa, and Amari.
Wow. Wow, you got this one. It's our activity.
Oh. Now this is for my mom and dad. Finally, sleepers.
Yeah, because you don't have sleepers, right?
I'm gonna wear this.
You only have one.
Thank you, Mom, Dad.
And this one, you're gonna love this. It is when you, if you want to cook or,
Stop.
wait. Or if you want to paint, you can also use this.
Paano
But-
wala akong canvas dito?
You also say thank you to Daddy Kim for the dinner. No, it's so yummy.
Yum.
Next. Talikod ka. It's for kids. For real. Wow.
Part of the Christmas
See, and then
tree.
another one.
Glasses.
And
Ay,
this one.
this is not
for me.
glasses for sleeping. Oh, watch.
Yeah. And this bag is yours. This cute tote bag is yours.
I'm gonna put everything in.
Yeah.
The only thing.
You want to open your chocolate? Diba? Meron kalagayan ng gift. Ay, meron pa kay Mami Ann. It's from Mami Ann. What did you say?
Your mommy on for this.
Will you open it? Try to open it. What's this? Oh, yung rock! Use it in your,
Crocs!
You can
For
use
how?
it inside the house or inside the room. Inside our room. See? It's so fluffy.
Thank you. Not
Next
from
one.
mommy yan.
It's for the, inside the place.
It's from
You
mommy.
use it inside the room.
Yeah.
Wow, what do you say?
From mommy yan. Thank you, mommy yan, for this. Wait. I'm gonna let's try this one.
Wow, you can really open it na.
This canvas. What's this?
Let's find out. I don't know.
Okay.
Wait. Do we have scissors?
You really have scissors there inside. Remember my gift?
What is for papers?
You can use
Sayang
this is
to,
for baby.
Where's gunting? Ask Lola and then
And then,
Oh, let's tear it na lang. Sayang naman ito. Ay, sana, I tear it already.
there's Makna.
What's this?
T-shirt.
Nice! You can use it here. Go to class.
Yeah, I could.
What will you say?
Thank you, everyone.
We wish
you,
them a
Mommy,
Merry
and-
Christmas.
I wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm done with this after.
I love you, everyone.
Love you, everyone. Thank you. Wait, before I end the video, goodbye.